So I got an email from the Drew Barrymore Show and they asked to run one of my workout routines at the end of their Wellness Wednesday episode. Here it is.
Okay, welcome everybody. We are kicking off a very special series. Every Wednesday this season, we want to make it Wells Day. That's right. We want to tackle physical, mental, spiritual well-being. Before we go, here's some inspo.
Save time and get some extra movement throughout the day. Here's how with micro workouts. Every time you load the dishwasher, practice your squat. If you can't squat, practice your hip hinge. This is where you're hinging at your hips, keeping your back straight and spine safe. Now, whenever you make that morning coffee or that afternoon tea, do some elevated push-ups from the counter. This is a great way for beginners to build upper body strength. As you brush your teeth in the morning and at night, practice your balance. Balance on one leg, then switch halfway through to the other. You can also do heel raises to strengthen those calf muscles. As you're watching TV, every time there's a commercial, you can do a little workout, or after every episode on Netflix. Sit stands and clamshells work great from the couch. And here's a little challenge: every time you browse social media, try doing some wall sits. When you're waiting around sitting or reading a book, you can also do some knee extensions to strengthen those knees. That's how to get some extra movement throughout your day. Hope it helps.
Thank you so much, everybody. We made this show for you, so take it with you.
That was really cool.